Ladies and gentlemen, I want to do a quick video on the markets. Any of you guys watching last night as Bitcoin hit $20,000, 20,800? Man, that was pretty cool stuff to watch. We did get a bounce from there, but basically I want to talk about Cardano, Theta, and Bitcoin. My personal prediction is, and I have no idea. I think we're definitely gonna see a little bit of a bullish activity for at least the next day or two. Bitcoin can't dump forever, and we need a little bit of a relief rally. Bitcoin went from 28,000 down to basically $20,000, so I think we're gonna see a little bit of bullishness at least for today or tomorrow. Cardano, to me, is like the story of the week. Cardano holding out at about 50 cents right now. This is exactly where Cardano was before this dump. So basically, if Bitcoin drops $10,000, Cardano's the same exact spot as where it was. It's outperformed the market. You can't deny that. If you watch my previous videos, what have I been saying? Cardano, Cardano, Cardano. If you bought Cardano instead of Bitcoin, like I said, I made a video said buy Cardano over Bitcoin right now, it will outperform. This dump did not even affect you. You could have woken up from a coma after a couple days. Your portfolio would be exactly the same. In fact, my wife, for example, I told her to get back into crypto about a month or two ago. She bought Cardano at about 44 cents. Bitcoin was like $32,000, $33,000. Just last night, I told her to buy some more crypto. She's up. She's up. Are you guys paying attention right now? Her portfolio is up from just buying Cardano a couple months ago. I'm not talking about $3 Cardano. I've been telling people to buy Cardano for the last couple months. I didn't tell people to buy it at $2 or $3. I said under $1. So she bought it about 44, 45 cents. When she looked, she was up a couple $100. And I was like, you know what? Don't buy any more Cardano. Just wait for it to go like under 40 cents. But the dump, if you bought Cardano when I've been talking about buying Cardano, and a lot of it's just luck, but a lot of it's the Vasco hard fork that I knew was coming up. This dump didn't affect you. My portfolio is not down that much, at least my Cardano side, because Cardano has been strong. It's been strong. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to stay strong. After the Vasco hard fork, if Bitcoin dumps, Cardano might dump down to 20 cents. And honestly, I want Cardano to dump down to 20 cents. I've been trying to get Cardano for under 20 cents for a long time. Just like I've been trying to get Theta for under $1. I finally got it, and then it shot back up. So anyway, folks, Cardano, Cardano, Cardano. We got the Vasco hard fork coming up. Keep an eye on it. If Bitcoin continues bullish for the week, if we can get a Bitcoin pump back up to $25,000, you're going to see 80-cent Cardano, 70-cent Cardano. For me, I'll probably sell half my Cardano at that point because I think this recession is going to drag out. I think the markets are going to go lower. I see a bottom for Bitcoin at about under $20,000, between $17,000 and $20,000. Cardano could drop down to 20 cents. But if Cardano pumps up to 70 or 80 cents, I think it's like a guarantee we're going to at least go back to these levels. So I'll probably sell half my Cardano at 70 or 80 cents. If we get that pump, there's no guarantee. But the Vasco hard fork's a week away, so it better come soon. Bitcoin's looking bullish today. That will easily bring Cardano back up. So keep your fingers crossed, folks, for the next couple of days. It probably won't be the next couple of days. It'll have to actually be today because they're announcing the Fed meetings tomorrow. But let's see how high we can go today. I mean, if the stock market actually ends up being a little bit bullish for the next couple of days, if the meeting doesn't actually crash the market, if they don't raise the interest rates as much as people are expecting, or maybe it's already priced into the market, maybe we'll see bullishness for at least the next couple of days. These things don't go down forever. Even if we're going to see a bottom at $15,000 for Bitcoin or $18,000, it doesn't just happen in one swoop. The way things went down the last couple of days, that was because of Celsius, and it just like tanked the market. Now, if Celsius makes an announcement and saying they can't pay people back, oof, everything I just said is off the table. I mean, we're going to see a $10,000 Bitcoin because that is going to completely destroy the market, destroy it. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think Celsius is a legit company. I think they're going to be able to pay at least most back. They might have to wipe out some of these loans. Some people might lose out, but I think for the most part, people are going to get their money back. But I don't know, folks. I mean, these lending protocols that offer this high interest, they're all Ponzi schemes. I made a video about UST before it crashed in April, telling you UST was going to crash, and Anchor was going to crash, and Luna was going to crash. I had money in BlockFi a year ago. I took it all out a year ago. I never felt right about it. I always felt it was a big scam. That's why you use a bank, folks. Everybody knocks banks. Oh, banks are so horrible, blah, blah, blah. You don't lose your money in a bank. Yeah, you don't get high interest, but you can get high interest with the bank. You can put your money in bonds. You can put your money in very, very non-risky stocks, treasury bonds. And as the interest rates are going up, you might be able to get 5, 6% on your US dollars. It's not worth it, folks. If a company tells you they're going to give you 10%, 15% on your stable coin, that's because it's very, very risky. So what are most people putting in? Okay, you put $5,000, $10,000 in, so you get 15%. Is that worth the few $100s for that kind of risk? So, and the worst part about it is all these big YouTubers were promoting Celsius and BlockFi and Anchor Protocol, got all their people wrecked. Man, and the funny thing is, all these big YouTubers that were promoting Celsius, they still get tons of views. It's like humans like to be abused. They still watch these people. Anyway, it makes no sense to me. But back to the markets. We're seeing a little bit of pump today. I think it could continue. I think we might see Bitcoin get between $24,000 and $25,000 before we go back down into the gutter. And at that point, let's keep an eye on Cardano and see if we can get back up to between 65 and 75 cents. That would be a great time to take your profits and then buy back in lower, because I do think we're going to go lower. All right, folks, have a good day.